Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to make a beautiful sakura flower bookmark. I'm using white yarn for the flower, but feel free to choose any color you like. Let's start with a magic ring. For this project, I'm using a 2.5mm crochet hook. Now gently pull the working yarn to make the magic ring smaller. Make a chain to secure the ring. Work 5 single crochets into the ring. Once that's done, pull the ring tight. And join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Now, chain 3. In that same stitch, make 1 treble crochet. Make 1 chain. Then slip stitch into the top of that treble crochet to create a picot. In the same stitch, make another treble crochet. Chain 1. And again, slip stitch into the top of the treble. Now make 1 more treble crochet in the same stitch. To finish this petal, chain 3. And slip stitch into the next stitch. That completes your first petal. Repeat the same steps in each stitch around to create a total of 5 petals. Take your time and keep your tension even for a neat finish. Once you finish the last petal, slip stitch into the next stitch to secure it. And chain 1 to finish off. Now fasten off. Now pull the yarn off the hook. Hide the remaining yarn neatly on the wrong side of the flower. Now we're going to add a small design in the center of the flower using pink yarn. Thread your yarn needle. Insert the needle through the center of the flower and pull the yarn through. Next, insert the needle into the middle stitch of a petal and pull through. Next, insert the needle into the middle stitch of a petal and pull through. Now wrap the yarn over between two petals. And pull the yarn back through the center. You can see the first stitch sits slightly higher, and the next one sits a little lower. So just repeat this pattern, one up, one down, across all the petals. This creates a soft, natural detail in the center. Keep your movement slow and even here, so the stitches sit neatly in place. Continue sewing like this across each petal. Take your time and keep the stitches even. Once you've finished all the petals, bring the yarn back through the center. Fasten off securely. Just follow along with me. And that's it, your Sakura flower is ready. Next, we're going to make the chain for the bookmark. Start with a magic ring. Chain 1 to secure it. And work 5 single crochets into the ring. Pull it tight. Then slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Now start making your chains. Keep them even and relaxed. And continue until you reach your desired length, depending on the size of your book. For this small book, I'm making about 40 to 50 chains. Once you're happy with the length, cut the yarn and pull it through. Now take your yarn needle and hide the loose end behind the circle. Weave it through a few stitches on the back, keeping it secure and neat. Alright, now take the other loose end of the chain. And we're going to attach it to the flower. Just bring it to the back side. And join it right at the center. Go ahead and weave it through a few stitches, so it stays nice and secure. Take your time with this part. Make a knot. And another knot to more secure. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And share your thoughts in the comments below. Please hype this video so it can reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe. And turn on the bell icon, so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching.